Hi, welcome to Infinitely Bold. My name is Andre, and today I'm going to show you how to use the LumiSpa Accent. Oops, it's upside down. LumiSpa Accent is an adapter that you have to use with the LumiSpa. So today I'm going to show you how to use the LumiSpa Accent. The Nu Skin ageLOC LumiSpa Accent, such mouthful, I'm just going to call it the Accent, is basically an adapter that you fit to the head, to the top of the LumiSpa. This is the LumiSpa, and the head is normally the normal treatment head, but you have to remove this in order to use the Accent. The Accent comes in a cute little box. It's a little blue box, and it just pops out like that. And there's a little tip there which you affix to the top of the Accent. So you just remove that, and it looks like this. Don't know if you can see it, or if it's even in focus, but it's a little flower petal pattern. And it's really softer than marshmallows, I have to say. So all you have to do is take this little nib and put it on the tip of the Accent. And all you have to do is just to align it properly and just push it in. Yeah, and it'll look like that. That's how it sits at the top of the Accent. So this is the LumiSpa, and this is the adapter. Everybody will be asking, so this adapter, so all you have to do is just buy this adapter and you get great eyes, or remove the dark circles around your eyes. Doesn't know, because you need the LumiSpa, which is sold separately. So this LumiSpa is basically designed to use with this initially, and this is to clean your face, to deep cleanse your face. So Nu Skin has come out with an adapter that will do the sensitive areas around your eyes. The skin around your eyes is basically the thinnest on your body, so it needs really delicate treatment. So you can't just use anything or any kind of scrubs or abrasive kind of devices to go around your eyes, because it might damage the skin around it, and in the long term it's just not going to be good for your skin. So this is the Accent, which is supposed to be used around your eyes. So it's for your eye bags, in order to reduce fine lines, reduce dark circles, and decrease the puffiness around your eyes, so decreasing the eye bags. The results are not exactly instant, but you probably have to wait for a few minutes in order for the cream, which is the ideal ice that comes with the Accent, to fully absorb into your skin first before the results come out. So it's not like you have to wait for hours, you just have to wait for just a couple of minutes, a few minutes. So just apply, go around, have a coffee, or have a breakfast juice or something like that. And then when you come back, you'll get to see that your dark circles and your eye bags and fine lines have significantly reduced. This is a wonder product. I've used it for a while now, and so that's why my eye bags are smaller. It used to be bigger. So I'll show you today how to use the LumiSpa Accent. So all you have to do is just align it to the head of the LumiSpa. As you can see, there's a little nib there, and there are little nibs, little things just there at the edge where it will align with the accents. This little indentations here. So all you have to do is just align it. Make sure that the easiest way is to see that the logo is right smack bang at the top of the LumiSpa, and then you just gently push it straight in. Do not go in an angle, because it might damage the really delicate catch. This little transparent bits there. These are really thin little catches that goes around this black protruding bit, secure it into its place. So all you have to do is just do that and bring it in, and then you hear a click sound, and that means that the LumiSpa Accent is firmly secured at the top of your Lumi Spa. Jumping to the end, this is the way that you take it off as well. So you just reverse the process. Instead of going to bending outwards and pulling it off, just pull it straight out. If not, the catches might be damaged. So all you have to do is just hold it in your hand and just pull it outwards like that. Yep, so you just go outwards and it will just come off pretty easily. Okay, I'll just show you it again. This is the way you bring it out. Yep. Okay, so now this is how you use the Lumi Spa accent. These are the ideal eyes that will come with the accent. So together as a package. This you don't have to use a lot. It's 15 ml, but this seems to last forever because it just you don't really have to use a lot. So you just have to undo the cap, put it on your little fourth finger because it's the one that seems to be the biggest, and you just go around your eyes. Ooh, not very too close. Just dab it, and then you do it for the other side as well. So just shoot a few dots, and then close it up. Obviously, you're meant to use the accent 30 seconds on each eye bag, on each side. Go around. I just usually just dab it a little bit and turn it on. Each, because as you know, the Lumi Spa has 4 sectors. It does 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, and 30 seconds. You can just do one sector for each eye. So 30 seconds one side, it breaks, it pauses, and then bring it to the other side for the other 30 seconds. So this is how it goes. So just go around the bone, go up, just apply a bit of pressure as you go around outwards, but do not apply pressure as you come back in. You can let the Lumi Spa accent the tip touch your skin, but do not drag your skin back. Some people go around like that, but I find it's more effective if I were to go outwards. So that's 30 seconds. So I'll do the sides for 30 seconds. So go up, come back in, do not use apply pressure. A bit of a pressure apply when you go outwards and up around the eye. Don't go too close to the eye, just go where your bone is, your cheekbone. There's a bone just under your eye socket, and just do that. So you just have to go around it that way. And that's 30 seconds, as you can tell. Now the third sector is blinking. So that means it's gone into the next 30 seconds. This is how you use the accent. Any cream extra, all you have to do is just dab it in. There's not a lot to dab in anyway. How do you wash this? While I'm waiting for the few minutes for the Ideal Eyes cream to take effect or to get absorbed in the skin, how do you wash this? Firstly, you just take the tip off, like how I showed you before. Just yank it out horizontally. Don't go at an angle because you want to protect this. This is an investment that you don't really have to replace all the time. As long as you look after it, it should last quite a while. The only thing to replace is the tip. And the tip, you probably have to change it around once every 3 months if I'm not wrong. So all you have to do is to take this out of the top of the accent. This shouldn't be dirty because of the way that it goes around the eyes, but you can always give it a bit of a wipe down before you keep it away. And what you do with this tip is you can just run it under running water. Just make sure that it doesn't fall off or slip off your hand. If not, it might just go straight down the sink and you just won't be able to find it, or you just get choked and then you get clogged pipes, and that's what you don't want. So just lightly under running water under the tap. If you want, you can just to prevent the water from going through down the drain. So just make sure that this is safe. Give it a bit of a rub, and you don't need any detergent with this at all because once it runs under running water, it's adequately cleaned. So take either tissue or a clean towel and just lightly dab it before you put it back into the box. That's why I keep the box. So it just fits really nicely at the top there. This is how it looks like. And the accent goes back in here. I think I should do this properly. Goes in like that and just like press it in. And just sits really nicely in there. Pop it back into the transparent sleeve. Put it aside with the ideal eyes. And upside down again. Keep it aside, keep it somewhere safe so they can use it every morning and every night. This is the, so now have you seen? So now the eye bags are slightly diminished, so which is nice. You can use this after you've Lumi, I call it Lumi, but after you've used the Lumi Spa on your face, then the next step could be this. It's only 1 extra minute for your eye bag, so that's worth the while. Yeah, so it actually does feel good. So I like this product. It is one of the best things in the market for your eye bags. Not a lot of products out there that will gently massage products that is meant for specifically for your eyes, for your eye bags and the fine lines around your eyes as well. Once you use this, you won't go anywhere else. This is the video on how to use the accent. This is the Nu Skin ageLOC Lumi Spa, and this is the accent that comes with the ideal eyes. So thanks for watching.